Once the prerequisites are met, you can start using the pack feature. Let's review the step-by-step process with one order. The order we will process will use 2 cartons, where we will need to pack several SKUs. Actions like preview or submit will not require an additional step if you have set up your scanner to press enter. In this case, we will review them as separate steps. Let's get started. The steps we will take are: first, scan the order and preview it. This can be done by using the scanner if programmed properly or keying in the reference and pressing Ctrl L. Then, press the pack button or Ctrl P. When doing so, you will be taken from the order scanning screen to the pack screen. Then, scan the carton you will use first. After that, press Submit to confirm the action, which will add the carton to the list. Then, scan one of the SKUs you will pack in that carton. Then, press Submit to confirm the action, which will add the SKU to the carton, and repeat as many times as necessary. If you need to update the amount, you can change the amount manually and press Submit, or scan the SKU as many times as necessary. You will realize that as SKUs are scanned and added to the carton, they subtract from the list on the right and add to the carton on the left. Once ready, press the Finalize Carton button or Ctrl F to finalize the carton. If you have more cartons, repeat the process as many times as needed. Once you have all the cartons packed, click in Finalize Order or Ctrl T to finalize the order. This will take you back to the process screen. Finally, you can press Process and Print to process the order.